So day 2 of our lagoon restoration project involved taking samples from the lagoon number 2 at Stockdale facility. Today we collected 18 sludge samples, and those sludge samples were combined into 2 composite samples, and those were then submitted for analysis at Eurofin's lab in San Antonio. So the testing of the sludge goes through a number of different tests. So one thing is they're looking just for our curiosity is to see whether there are any heavy metals in the sludge. It's unlikely because the influent water comes from a residential community. The other thing that we're really acutely interested in is whether or not the sludge contains either organic, which is able to be digested by bacteria, or inorganic, such as silt and sand, which is not able to be digested by those bacteria. So having that ratio is going to give us a very interesting input in terms of what our goals for the project are going to be.